Greetings, students, and a warm welcome to HRM308, Training and Development. Dr. Richard Montanero here. I will be your instructor, your professor, your learning guide, your facilitator, and perhaps more importantly, a student of learning like each of you. A few housekeeping things. I'm not going to overwhelm you now. There's a lot to consume in this course, and I hope you are preparing to do just that. Few notes here. First things first, this is a digital course. That means ECM, electronic course material, starting with the Vital Source book, which is the text we will be using by N-O-E, a great book, something as a classic that I would probably download and keep, especially if you continue in this field. Speaking of continuing this field, I have been in training and development probably most of my career, started in corporate HR. You could read my bio. I've done a lot of strategic training. I've led a lot of teams, and in my HR career, I hired many people starting in the agency business, and unfortunately had to fire a number of people and did my dissertation on it. So, let's start. You could see my bio in the course. You could see my link to my website, Career Discoveries. Well, let's talk about course expectations here. This course assumes you intend to work in human resources or learning and leadership development, and I hope you will, and I hope you stay connected to me in LinkedIn and throughout your career if I can be of help. This course also expects you will get your technology straight. Those of you who may be new to an online course, please get the Vital Source account and the book started and learn how to post to our discussion boards as well as to your assignments. So this course assumes you will resolve your technology issues related to Blackboard, which is new as we've moved at post-university to Blackboard Ultra, a very different interface from perhaps what you were used to in the prior version. So training and development as such, you'll be expected to learn the theoretical foundations of learning here. I am a learning practitioner. I am grounded in learning theory, and I hope you will understand the value of theory, which ultimately grounds our learning and drives how we understand the concept of learning and development. Training and development absolutely is a science, and this course is dedicated to helping you learn that science, but most importantly, be able to apply that science. This course is about change, and I would ask you one very important question. What do you want to change about your own professional development? Because as I say to my career students, learning is about you. It's about you, Inc. You are the corporation. What are your development needs? What do you want to learn? How do you want to apply that learning? How do you want to interpret that learning in an interview so you get hired in the field if that is your career choice? I also, as a PhD, and I'm not going to get into too much of my background, you can learn about me in the bio, but what I've learned here is learning how to write properly. That means avoid the risk of plagiarism, avoid using AI, which is rampant in the classrooms, and learn to write well, and learn to use references, learn to cite from the course versus opinion. This is an evidence-based course, as you will see, and give credit to those authors whose learning and content you are using. A few more housekeeping. Please read and refer to the weekly unit content. I will tend to post each week a written announcement, a verbal announcement, or a visual announcement, as you will see here. We start with introductions in a dedicated chapter, learning and development, a scenario that we will also learn a lot about using case study as a method of learning, and we start with the Lulamon case study. I'll talk more about that as well. So please reach out to me, text is okay, identify yourself if there's an issue, or email. Best of all of us in our learning journey. This is a learning community, and I welcome you to this learning community, and I hope the richness of the learning truly transforms the way each of you understand the science of learning and development. Enough for now. Dr. Richard Montanaro, as you know, the course starts Monday morning. Get online, get involved, get connected, and be a part of our learning. Thank you all. I look forward to getting to know you, your understanding of this content, and who you are. We begin Monday. Welcome all of you. Dr. Montanaro. I'll see you online. Thank you all. Bye now. For now.